Hey, what's up, Jason? It's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was actually giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So the main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. So before I get into content, I just want to compliment you on your site. I really like it. I like how you have your tabs up here to the left and it's not all messy around as when you're going down the website. It seems pretty together, and I really like the pictures. High quality. But one thing I noticed was that you definitely need more content. When I actually copied your content onto this word count, you came up to about 230 words on your homepage, all right? Your competition has about 979. Your competition, Superior Fence and Rail. Because when you type in fence installation, Pensacola, Florida, up here in the Google search bar, they are the #1 company organically ranked. So what we really want to be at, though, is around 1,500 to 2,000 words on that homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl through the content on your website. And the more content you have, the more they crawl looking for these keywords. So these keywords have anything to do with fence companies, Pensacola, Florida, fence installation, wood fence, Pensacola, etc. So when people are searching for that, Google knows where to direct them to, aka your website. I also have a little few tricks where you can save an image as, and you can hide keywords in there as well to help get ranked. So like as you can see, there's like 16 BBD3 underscore blah blah blah. That picture should be saved as fence companies in Pensacola, Florida, or fence installation Pensacola, Florida. Just a little trick right there. All right. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations is actually how you get ranked as a map pack right here. So of course, usually you see ads up here, and ads are definitely good, but they need to be utilized 100% correctly, or else they're a huge money pit. For sure. And some people got bad blood with ads, so you never know. So that's why I always push organically. But anyways, like I said, citations is how you get ranked in this map pack. So you definitely need about 200 to 300 of these bad boys to be untouchable in that top spot. All right, and we don't want you just on the front page, like I said, like you are over here. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching and they see you organically here and here, your website's already on their mind twice. All right. So the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So when it comes to backlinks, I actually go over to my tool called Errors. Actually, I'm going to go back to the, to the map pack real quick. I just want to talk a little bit more about citations. They include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The main idea with citations is that your brand begins to be found all over Google and all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than the competitors, the more likely it is you rank above them. But yeah, I just wanted to touch on that real quick. But anyways, backlinks. So I go over here to my tool called Ahrefs, or Ahrefs, however you want to pronounce it. This is a paid tool, but you can find other SEO tools such as like SEMrush, SEO Quake, and those are free. They're just less accurate, so I like to use Ahrefs the most. But anyway, so what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from people wins the organic spot. However, it's important to know that not all backlinks are created equal. They need to be relevant, and I'll show you an example here. So this is your website on Ahrefs, okay? You have 0 organic keywords, 0 organic traffic, and 1 referring domain and 1 backlink. Your competition over here, Superior Fence and Rail, they have 22 organic keywords, 7 referring domains, 11 backlinks. So as you can see, they're beating you on the referring domains and the keywords, and their organic traffic is 256 a month. So I just want to do some quick math with you. If only, and I mean this is bottom tier, only 10% of that 256 turns into clients a month. What is that? 20, 25 clients extra per month. You could do that times what you charge for fences. It's some pretty big bang for your buck. All right. So definitely, I just want to go back over the 3 things we talked about, and the first thing was content. So add some more content on that page and save those pictures with keywords. And I'm just going to go over to Superior Fence and Rail just so you can see some good keywords examples once it'll finally pull up. I believe there's a 300 search volume. Yeah, so like Fence Company Pensacola, Fence Pensacola, 200, 350 search volume a month. And these KDs aren't that high, so it shouldn't take too long to rank for it as well. All right. So add that content in there. The second thing was citations. You definitely want some more citations to, so you can be able to get ranked in this map pack, okay? And the third thing was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show that Google that you are the authority. It's so important to have relative sites and not just some junk sites, because that can actually lower the integrity of your website that Google sees. A good example I would say for backlinks is like, would you rather be on the cover of Fence Magazine USA, or would you rather be on the cover of like Papa John's? Like, absolutely Fence Magazine USA, because it's relevant to you. You have absolutely nothing to do with pizzas. All right. So just to end this over, I just want to go over my name again. My name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. Once again, that's 904-383-8479. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue to scale as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I could do the research and find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. That's about it. Well, I hope you found this video pretty helpful and have a great day.